PX Plus Festival was created by an amazingly talented group of 14 hospitality professionals. It was kind of a no-brainer that we would go to PKL and say, hey, can you come and help us on this crazy idea to create a hospitality festival on a farm?
We had to really look at what we were doing in the sense of building our kitchen and building our setup, and we worked with PKL and they were able to tell us what we needed to facilitate the amount of people that we were looking to cater for.
It was really important to us that we spent a lot of time with PKL planning how that kitchen would look, how it would feel, the environment that it would sit in, and also making it the back of house part of the front of house.
When we were working with PKL, it was just the openness. We were able to give them a problem and they gave us a solution.